Well. Ow! Well, there's definitely water coming in. It's not a lot, but it is coming in. I just dove under the boat just to make sure that the plate is not coming off because we heard some weird sound, but the plate seems to be still in place. There is water coming in. It's not a ton, but I decided to put the lead on top of it because I thought maybe it stops the water from like going out really crazy. We'll anchor shallow once we get there, if we get there. And then I gotta take the lead out and put some more splash zone for the trip tomorrow. It's a bit nerve-wracking. Karl's going to the hospital one more time. We're going just around this point here, Punta Chame, for tonight. I had splashed on the area where the water was coming in, but still I was a little worried that the plate that we had welded onto the hull would come off during the way up to Balboa. So I had asked Maria if she would join me for at least half of the trip, so I wouldn't be having to deal with a sinking boat all by myself. It's a holiday, so there's a big party going on. I dropped Maria off this morning in Punta Chame with the kayak, and now Karl and I are on our last little run to Panama City to Balboa Yacht Club. And so we're just motoring up there for now. Definitely feeling a little wobbly in the stomach. Everything was fine yesterday. Actually, the water that we saw that we thought was coming in through the hull was from my bilge pump, so it seems to be holding up, which is good. But still, it's just a weird feeling to have a brittle bottom plate, I guess. And being by yourself. Anyhow, it's about 20 miles. And we're trucking along. The closer we come to the city, the more plastic is floating around. It's so sad. Unfortunately, it's already too late in the day, otherwise I'd get a net out and grab some of this stuff. Next time, I promise. I promise you, Ocean. Do some extra collecting next time. As you can tell, I'm going back to Balboa Yacht Club, so that means that Karl is getting another chance here. I've talked to a couple of professional shipbuilders, and after some time I've come to the decision to weld the plate over the infected area from the outside again, but this time I'm importing a little thicker sheet and the correct aluminum alloy from the States. So let's hope that this time it's gonna do the deal. Fingers crossed. Decided to take it all out in the end. Wind is dying a little. One more time, Balboa. And the weather, as usual, is super pretty. But it's gonna be interesting because there's gonna be a bit of current and the wind is from a different direction than the current, so it'll be interesting to figure out how to perfectly make it to the mooring line. We'll see. Balboa Yacht Club, le habla velero Karl. They never answer. Well, you're lost. We'll just go in. I usually then pick up whatever mooring I like, the one that's most convenient for me, and then they go like, ah, this is not the one you're supposed to be on. I'm like, well, you could have just answered my call, I assume. As usual, nobody's answering in Balboa Yacht Club, so I'm texting Barry to come and help me and send a little lunch out, because in Balboa Yacht Club you're not allowed to use your own dinghy, so you have to call them on VHF. But they usually never answer anyways, and today it's feriado, it's a holiday, so I guess they're even more reluctant to answer. Well, so let's hope that Barry can save me. My savior! Again, Barry saving me. Yee-hee!
He's just gonna wait till the swell comes down.
Yeah, good idea. I'll give you that one. Hola!
Hey, sweetie! You alright?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Barry got robbed.
Yeah.
Bastards!
They robbed me, the bastards.
It always sucks. In Las Brisas anchorage, so anyone that goes to Las Brisas, be careful, close your hatches.
Like playing with a drum sort of it.
Oh, look. Barry went ahead because I had to grab a shower because I was all sticky from the day, and now I'm gonna meet him here around the corner in TJI Fridays. They have the best margaritas in town and a good happy hour. You're sitting where we always sit.
Right. I didn't recognise you. You're all clean and sparkly looking.
I think this salt sea dog got me drunk. Look at my glasses, you can tell. I'm all fogged up.
Why do you wear your glasses when you're drunk?
Look, I'm all fogged up.
You're all fogged up.
What you don't know is that I've got crew arriving pretty much in about 2 hours from now. But more about that
next week.